Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that a straight highway leads to a foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with the uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point. Let's say we are having this tower. So this tower is given. From this tower, we are given, let's say here is our car. Let's say the height, this point is A and this car is at the point B. Let's say this is point P here. Let's say after some time the car moves to this point. Let's say this is the point C. The base of the tower, let's say, is D. So we have to find out this length, that is CD is what we need to find out. This angle is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. So from here we can say that the man sees car first at the angle of depression of 30 degree, which means we are having the value of the angle PAB, which is equals to 30 degree. After 6 seconds, the man sees the car at an angle of depression of 60 degree, which means we are having the value of the angle PAC, which is equals to 60 degree. Now the tower is vertical, so the value of the angle ADB become equals to 90 degree. Also line PA and BD are parallel. So PA and BD are parallel and AB is transversal. AB is transversal. So PA and BD are parallel and AB is transversal. So we can say that ABD is equals to PAB. ABD is equals to PAB, that is alternate angles. Now PAB is equals to 30 degree, which means ABD become also equals to 30 degree. Now in the same way, similarly PA is parallel to BD. PA is parallel to BD and AC is transversal. AC is transversal. So in the same way, angle ACD is equals to the angle PAC. They are alternate angles. So we are having the value of angle PAC and PAC is equals to ACD. So the value of the angle ACD to become equals to 60 degree. Now in the right angle triangle ACD, tangent of C is equals to the side opposite to angle C divided by the side adjacent to angle C. Side opposite to the angle C is AD and that of the adjacent of angle C is CD, and we are having the value of the angle C, which is 60 degree. So we can say that the tangent of 60 degree is equals to AD divided by the CD, and we know that the value of the tangent 60 degree is equals to the under root 3. So we can say that under root 3 is equals to AD divided by the CD, which means under root 3 of CD is equals to AD. Let's say this is the equation number 1. Now in the same way, in right angle triangle ABD, we can say that the tangent of B become equals to the side opposite to angle B, divided by the side adjacent to angle B, and tangent of B, that is angle B, is 30 degree. So tangent of 30 degree is equals to side opposite to angle B is AD divided by the side adjacent to angle B is BD, and we know that the value of the tangent of 30 degree is equals to 1 divided by the under root 3, which means 1 divided by the under root 3 is equals to AD divided by BD, which means the value of the AD become equals to BD divided by the under root 3. Let's say this is the equation number 2. Now we are using equation number 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, angle 3, under root 3 of CD become equals to BD divided by the under root 3. Simplifying the term from here, we can say that 3 of CD become equals to BD. 3 of CD become equals to BD, and BD is equals to BC plus CD. So we can say that 3 of CD is equals to BC plus CD, which means 3 of CD minus CD is equals to BC. So 2 of CD is equals to BC, which means the value of CD is equals to BC divided by the 2. We are given that time taken to cover BC, is given, that is equals to 6 seconds. So time taken to cover BC divided by 2 become equals to 6 divided by the 2 seconds, that become equals to 3 seconds. So from here we can say that the time taken to cover CD is equals to 3 seconds. So it takes 3 seconds to reach the foot of the tower. So this is the answer to the given question. So students, in order to solve this question, we use the basic concept of trigonometry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.